Okay guys, I'm actually going to upload two videos today. This one's just going to be the answers. I'm going to do these separately because I'm going to do these on the paper so that you can see them more clearly, and then do the new work on the board. So there'll be two videos today. So watch this one first. Obviously, if you're watching it first, you already know that because you're watching it first. And then the second video will be the new stuff, okay? But I wanted to answer these. So let's check our work from Friday, or I'm sorry, from Thursday. And so this one, what I showed you on the paper is, like if I have, 7 equals 7, it doesn't matter if I flip places and swap that around. In fact, you don't even know which 7 I used by flipping it around. As long as you keep everything the same. So that's why I wrote on there that you could just change places. Put 8 plus v over here, and then put your 26 over here. You have not changed the value at all. This is still equal to this. And that way your variable's on the left side, okay? So that's why I did that. And I showed you that. I put that on the paper. I did that first one, and so that you could see that. Now, to solve for it, you just subtract 8, and b is 18. Okay. Number 2 is subtract 3, p is 5. Subtract 15, and b is 8. And I'm doing this on a table that already has like bumps or something. It makes my handwriting even worse if that was possible. So n is going to be 6. Okay. Subtract 4, m is going to be negative 16. Okay. Add 7, and x is going to be 20. Add 9, and m is going to be negative 4. Add 6, and p is going to be 1. Okay, add 15, and v is going to be negative 12. Subtract 16, and n is going to be negative 7. This one, if you want to trade places, you could do that. So, if I just trade places, it's x equals negative 104. All I did was just switch them around. Now, you don't have to do that. Like I said, you don't have to have the variable on the left side, but as we get into the, after two-step, if we get into variables on both sides, it is easier to always try to get your variable to the left side, okay? So that's why I switch places, but even if you didn't, you do it the same thing. You're going to divide by 8, and x is going to be negative, that goes in there, 13. Okay. Here you divide by 14, and x is going to be negative 4. Okay. Here, this was one people asked me about. You multiply by 18, and then you multiply this by 18. So that's negative 108 equals b, sorry. And if you flip places too, sorry, b equals negative 108. And then if you divide by 10 and divide by 10, n equals 4. All right. All right, so that's this one. And like I said, there'll be another video for the next material, okay?